How did I buy this with this? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we purchased this home with $0, no loan, and absolutely no personal financial risk to ourselves. Hey yo, what's up everybody? I'm Sean McMurray and this is my channel Analytical Overdrive, where we talk finance, stocks, real estate investing, and cryptos. The hardest part with becoming a real estate investor is the lack of knowledge and the capital expense that makes it extremely difficult for the average Joe to enter. Even in a depressed market or extremely distressed property, we're looking at tens of thousands of dollars at the least. And that's only to buy the property. If you decided to fix and flip or buy and hold, there's the added expense of fixing the property. So, how do we purchase a $160,000 property in Miami, 3.6 miles away from the beach with $0 out of pocket, no loan, and absolutely no personal financial risk to ourselves? It worked out just like, well, hold up now. Before we get into that, I need some blue thumbs up love. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps me to continue to make these videos for y'all. Okay, here's the shocker. No, not that shocker. Let me rephrase. You all are expecting me to give you this long-winded and complicated explanation and process to how we did this. But I'm not, because it wasn't that hard. I mean, sure, the property had a squatter who had been paying taxes for years. It had $74,400 in city liens and violations that we negotiated down to $3,500. We never stepped one foot into the house, and we sold the property before we even bought it. We'll go over this deal in another video. At the end of the day, none of that matters as to how we bought a $160,000 property in Miami, 3.6 miles away from the beach with $0 out of pocket, no loan, and absolutely no personal financial risk to ourselves. So how did we do this? Okay, since people like lists, this is literally the 4-step process we followed that enables us to purchase all of our investment properties with $0 out of pocket, no loan, absolutely no personal financial risk to ourselves, and all while having someone hold our hand through the entire process. No, I don't believe in fairies, and no magic dust is involved in this 4-step process. Before we get into the list, I'd like to send a special shout out to our sponsor, theplot.io. I put a lot of time into these videos, from script development, storyboarding, to shooting and editing the videos. If you ever wondered how I determine which shots I need and how I organize these shots, check out theplot.io. If you subscribe with my affiliate link below, you'll get a 15% off your monthly or yearly subscription. Support the cause. Ayo, yeah. Step 1, Google RIA. Step 2, find your local RIA and see if they have a mentorship program. Step 3, see if your local RIA's mentorship program will back your deals. Step 4, join your local RIA's mentorship program considering 2 and 3 are valid. That is it. And I know you all are probably like, ho, you're right. No, really, how'd you do this? I'm gonna look at you like this, and I'm going to repeat my 4-step process. Let me tell you a little story so this makes a little more sense. This 4-step process that I shared with you, no lie, took me an entire year to develop. As simple as it is, it took that long to realize. About 3 to 4 years ago, Catherine and I were researching how to get involved in real estate. For a whole year, I was reading books, purchasing Udemy training courses, YouTube videos, attending seminars, and at one point, I was approved for a VA home loan. Quite frankly, we didn't have investment money to buy an investment property. The plan was we would buy a duplex and rent one side out and live in the other. The problem was, duplexes in our price range in a decent neighborhood with strong enough rents are hard to come by. And despite all the books and training that I had been taking, I didn't know where to start. I mean, scratch that, right? To be honest, it was fear. I mean, we were talking about putting my family at financial risk if I somehow messed this up. It was a lot of pressure on my shoulders. I ended up backing out of purchasing the home, and at this point, I was pretty defeated. If you know me, I'm extremely goal-oriented. If I set my eyes on something, I will accomplish it. So the fact that I didn't accomplish my goal at that moment, it was defeating. I did what any sane, logical person would do at a moment like this. Cheater! I laugh about it now, but I was down. Now, I tend to be persistent when there's something I believe in, or as Catherine says, you are stubborn. I don't give up easily. I mean, seriously, if Catherine thinks she's going to win this argument, she has another thing coming. I mean, yeah. I may sidestep, I may take a few steps back, but then I push. I picked up a book and started reading, although this time it clicked. In all the books, training, and seminars I had taken, they always talk about this thing called the RIA. So I followed step 1 and 2 and found my local RIA, which is BREA, or Broward Real Estate Investors Association, and discovered they had a mentorship program. I followed step 3 unknowingly and discovered they would back 100% of the money for every deal, and on top of that, they would help every step of the way. I picked up the phone and spoke to my now mentors, Anisha and Ryan, and we started the courting process. About 1 week later, step 4 was complete and we were official BREA mentor students. 6 months down the road, we cashed our first real estate check for the $160,000 property 3.6 miles from the beach that we purchased in Miami with $0 out of pocket, no loan, absolutely no personal financial risk to ourselves, and all while having someone hold our hand through the entire process. In conclusion, one sec. Full disclosure, we are mentor students as stated above, but we are receiving zero, nada, no incentive to say what we are saying. It's the only program that I've found of its kind. Because of this program, I'm able to add real estate to my investing strategy. So just to recap, step 1, Google RIA. Step 2, find your local RIA and see if they have a mentorship program. Step 3, see if your local RIA's mentorship program will back your deals. Step 4, join your local RIA's mentorship program considering 2 and 3 are valid. So ladies and gents, I'm Sean McMurray, and this is my channel, Analytical Overdrive. Ayo, yeah!